In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link local files or folders in Notion. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing your thoughts, managing projects, and keeping your digital workspace tidy. One of its handy features is the ability to link files and folders from various platforms directly into your Notion pages. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of doing just that, so you can streamline your workflow and easily access your files without leaving Notion. To get started, open up your Notion workspace. Make sure you're on the page or table where you want to add your file or folder link. This could be a page where you keep track of your projects, or anywhere you see fit to have the file available for quick access. Once you have the right page open, look for the +Add a Property button. This button allows you to add a property to your Notion page, which can be customized to fit your needs. When you click the +Add a Property button, you'll be presented with a variety of property types. From this list, scroll through and select URL. This is the property type that will allow you to add linkable URLs to your Notion page. By choosing the URL property, you've set up a space where you can paste a web link that will take you directly to your file or folder. Next, let's move on to the platform where your file or folder is hosted. Whether it's on Google Drive, Dropbox, or WeTransfer, these platforms all have the option to generate a shareable link. Navigate to your file or folder on the hosting platform and find the option that allows you to share or get a link. Copy that shareable link. This is the link that will grant access to the file or folder once it's placed in Notion. Now, head back to your Notion table and paste the shareable link into the URL field you created. Once the link is there, Notion automatically recognizes it and turns it into a clickable link. This means anyone who has access to your Notion page can click on the link and be taken directly to the file hosted on your chosen platform. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Notion page with a file or folder using a shareable cloud storage link. With this setup, you and any collaborators can view or download the file with just a simple click. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a like or subscribe for more insightful and easy-to-follow guides on using Notion and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.